Yeah.
Okay, grade 5. And
Yeah. My birthday is
uh,
in 2 days.
yeah, I remember we have birthday on Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what we did last time, we just started grade 8, right? Sorry, fifth grade.
What? What's wrong?
We start the fifth grade
I
and
think
we did,
we're doing powers of 10. I'm not sure. But
okay,
then you said I could do multiple
yeah.
multiplication if I
But like,
had time to. Yeah.
did you practice it?
And
One,
I had swimming lessons, so I didn't have enough time.
1 second, let me check. What was your homework? E14. E14 was your homework.
But
E14. Go to E14.
wait, could
Yeah.
I get something?
Okay, sure.
Here.
Okay, do this one.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Why don't we move to grade 6?
When we complete this one, when we complete all the
Yeah.
worksheets from grade 5, we just started it.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Just do one. This is last question. After it, we have to do the next one because you are already good in it, I think. First, first, first. 2, 1.
The answer is
1.
219.
Yeah, it is. What's the remainder?
4. No, 14.
14. Yeah, good. Okay, now start the section F, and we will do all the worksheets from F section, all worksheets. So start from
Okay.
1. F1, do F1. It's easy. You know what's the
Does
number?
factor need a number you could use to make it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 6 is not a factor. 3 is a factor. Yeah, that's true. Yes, obviously 2. Great. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. 14. Yeah, it is. 14 3 times 42. That's all. F1. Okay. What is the one factor of 87? Um, should I have to tell you? Can 2 be a factor of it?
What did you say? Excuse me, teacher. What did you say?
If 2 is not, then check 3. Can 3 be a factor of it? Or we can
No,
find
no.
it out.
3
2 will,
divided by 87.
yeah, 3 divides the 87. How we can check? Even in the
You
section
can
F,
check if there's a remainder. That means 3 is not it.
3 is the factor of it, you know?
Wait,
Even
can I see?
Okay. Okay, great. Let's do the next one. F2. In the last question, 84, 87, you divide it, right? And then you
Yeah.
check the remainder. But there are
Mhm.
short tricks which we learn in F5 as well. F4, F4 and F5. F4. So there is a trick. What's the trick for 2? Like if it was 88 and I'm asking is 80 is 2 is a factor of 88? So you will say
Yeah.
yes or no.
Yes.
Even you not divide it. Why you said yes?
Because every even number it could be
Yeah.
divided by two.
So which number is called even number? If we have 87, how you knew this is not even number?
Because what did you say?
How you knew this is a even number?
It is because 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers.
Yeah, if we get either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the end, then those numbers will be called even numbers. Even it doesn't matter how big is the number, like 9,376. So
Yeah.
it doesn't matter how big is the number and doesn't matter what are the first digits. We just have to, our concern is with the last digit, right? If
Yeah.
the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will be multiple of 2. 2 will be a factor of 8. It is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Similarly, we have a rules for the divisibility by 3. When the digits sum, when the sum of the digits is the multiple of 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. I even not divide it. What I did, I just add the digits. What's the sum of the digits?
15.
So is this number divisible by 15? Yes, it is. Sorry, is this number divisible by 3? Yes, it is. Why? Because the sum of the digit of this number is 15. So 15
Yeah.
is a
But
multiple of,
what if it's a number with three or more digits?
yeah, even in that case, let's suppose we have 187. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's not divisible by 3. Why?
Yeah.
Because the sum of the digit of this number is 16, and 16 is not in the multiple of 3. So this will not be
Yeah.
completely divisible by 3. Okay, 3 will not be a
Yeah.
factor of it. But on the other
Mhm.
hand, if you have a, let's suppose 317, let's suppose this is the number. So this will be divisible by 3. 3 will be a factor of this number. And I'm
Mhm.
100% sure 3 will be a factor of it. Oh, I checked it. I just find the sum. 3 plus 1 plus 7. What's the sum of these numbers? Wait, no, it's not.
12.
No, no, it's 11. So if we make
Oh, yeah.
27 here, or 20 or 18, or let's take 417,
Mhm.
417,
17.
417, then this number will be divisible by 3 because now the sum will be 12. 12 is the multiple of 3. So this 417 is in the multiple of 3. or 3 is a factor of 417. Let's check it out. 417, like you checked. So 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 11. So it will be 3 times 3, 9, then 2, 7. So see, it's completely divisible. We not get any remainder. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
We will learn this thing in R4, F4 as well. Oh, you already started F4. Okay. So is this divisible by 2? Yes, it is. We have to do the F2, F3 as well. Okay, it's okay. Let's do this one firstly. So yes, submit it. No, we have to check, is this divisible by 10? There is
No.
no need to. Yes. No, it's not. Even you not divide it. How you knew this? Because
Because
only
if it, for it to be divisible by 10, it needs to have a zero at the back.
yeah, if there is a 0 at the end, the last digit is 0, then it will be divisible by 10. Otherwise, it's not. Okay, yeah. That's the right answer. Submit it. Let's do the next one. Is this divisible by 5 or not?
Yeah.
It is. How we knew this? Even we not divide it.
Because if any number that has 5 at the back can be
Good.
divided by 5.
Yes, it is. That's the right answer. Submit it. No, here you have to implement the rule of 3. And what it is?
A rule of 3.
The rule of for 3 is just add the digits of the number. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6. What's the sum of these numbers? It's 19. Because 13, 13 and 6, 19. Is 19 in the multiple of 3?
Excuse me, teacher, can I get a sharpener to sharpen my pencil?
Sure.
Excuse me, teacher, I'm here.
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
So this, yes.
Yeah. What did you say?
I was going to say like, is this number divisible by 3 or not? So it's not. Why? Even I not divide it, I not check the
Because you
with the
can't
long division.
divide 19 by 3.
Yes. So that's why. So there is no need to do the long division. That is lengthy. It will take long time, right? So you can, instead of doing that one, you just have to add the digits. If the sum of the digit of the number is in the multiple of 3, then that number will be multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. You understand it?
Yes.
For 9, it's the same like
Yes.
3. It's same like 3. Wait. Yeah, this is divisible by 9. Why?
Because se- because 7 plus 2 plus 9 is 18. And you could divide 18 by 9.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's right answer. Okay, do the next one now. What it was for 6? Okay, I didn't tell you for 6. For 6, that number must be divisible by 2 and 3. If any of this number is not dividing the number, so then 6 will not divide the number. I mean, the number will not be divisible by 6. If the number is either not divisible by 2 or 3, then it will not be divisible by 6. It must be divisible by both 2 and 3. What's the divisibility by 6? You understand what I said?
Wait, what?
Okay, let me say it again. Let me tell you again. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. It must be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. Then the number will be divisible by 6. You understand it? It's about the last question. When the number will be divisible by 6? If the given number is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I'm checking 417, is this divisible by 6? So I will quickly say no, it's not divisible by 6. Why? Even though 417 is divisible by 3, it's divisible by 3, but it's not
But it's
divisible
not
by.
divisible by 2.
So when a number is either not divisible by 2 or not if a number divisible by 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by 6. If neither of neither 2 or 3 is dividing so for 6 it must be divisible by 3 and 2. That's simple.
Yeah.
If any of these number fail to divide it, then it will not be divisible by 6. For 4, what's the rule for 4?
What did you say?
What's the rule for 4?
What did you say?
Rule for 4. What's the rule for 4? How we can check the divisibility for 4? We always check the last 2 digits. If last 2 digits are divisible by 4, are in the multiple of 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. If we are looking for the last question, its last digit was 03. So that number was not divisible by 4. Now here implement the rule for 6. How we can check? We have 90,720. Is this divisible by 2? Yes. Is this divisible by 3? Do we have to do the long division for testing the divisibility by 3?
Yes.
No. There is no need to do the long.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
9 plus 9 is 18.
Okay. You were telling me the answer. I thought you said we have to do the long division for it. No, there is no need to do the long division. You just have to add the digits. And if the sum of the digits is in the multiple of 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. So it means that this is divisible by 2. It's also divisible by 3. So it's divisible by 6. That's it. So we will check the last 2 digits. No, wait. It's yes. Because 0 divided by 4. So we just say 0. That's 0. So yes, last 2 digits supposed to be in the multiple of last 2 digits. Supposed to be in the multiple of 4. If last 2 digits are in the multiple of 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. So yes.
I don't get that.
We just have to test last 2 digits of the number. Whatever the number is, test the last 2 digits.
Yeah.
If last 2 digits are in the multiple of 4, like last 2 digits are 16. So then that number will be divisible by 4. Like we have 90,716. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Which number is divisible by 4?
16.
If we get the last two digits,
Yeah.
last two digits are in the multiple of 4. If the last two digits of the number are in the multiple of 4, then the given number will be divisible by 4. If
Yeah.
I'm saying you have 5,944,
Mhm.
so is this number divisible by 4? Yes, it is, because the
Yes.
two digits, even if we have 5,904, so I will say, yeah, this number is also divisible by 4. If I'm saying we have
Mhm.
3,424, so this number is also divisible. If I'm
Mhm.
saying we have 7,912, so I will say, yeah, this number is also divisible by 4. Even I'm not checking. Oh, why I'm making this statement? Because I'm just checking the last two digits. I'm not doing the long division.
Mhm.
I'm checking the last two digits. If the last two digits are from the multiple of 4, so the given
Then
number
that.
is divisible by 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, this is. If you want to take a break, like to finish your meal, so you can. Divisible by 9. Yes, maybe we have some other, not this one. Uh, I'm pretty sure not this one. So we have only one number divisible by 9. Let's double check it. Yeah, good. What about 4? Wait, you select the last one. Yes, it is. 1 second. Hold on, please. Hold on, hold on. 390. I have a doubt on
Yeah, 3
390.
plus 9 is 12.
Oh, for 4, for divisibility by 4, we don't have to do the addition of the digits. No.
What did you
390.
say?
390 is not divisible by 4.
No, but like
Yeah, I know
3
the
plus
con
9 is 12.
this we don't have to use this trick. This trick is for 3 and 9. This trick is for 3 and
9.
9. For 4, what we have to do, we have to test the last two digits. What are the last two digits of this number? 90.
90.
Are 90 divisible by 4? There is no short
No.
way. Like you have to do the division somehow, a little bit. But if we have a very big number, then it will be easy to test, like in the same way, instead of doing the long division. So you have to test by just dividing it by 4, the last two digits. Are last two digits divisible by 4? See, these last two digits are not divisible by 4. So that's why this number is not divisible by 4. If we have a very big number, instead of doing the long division for that whole number, just have to check last two digits. Do you understand? I'm thinking this
Yeah.
one is divisible. Look, 68 divided by
Huh?
4. 4 1 times 4, and then 2 is the remainder, and then we'll drag the 8 down here. It's 28. 4 7 times is 28. So
Oh.
268 is divisible by. Last two digits are divisible by 4. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. 40 is obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, for 6. Obviously not, because it's not divisible by 3. This one, yes.
This one.
Yes, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So obviously,
How?
for 3, we have to
Because
do
it
the,
is visible by 3.
what's the sum of the digits?
1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 8 is 15.
So 15 is in the multiple of 3, right?
Oh, yeah. No.
So it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2. And that's all. Okay, do the F2 now. And section F we have to complete it today. The worksheets which we left, those will be in your homework. You understand what I said?
What?
Section F, we have to complete it today. The worksheets which we left, those will be in your homework.
Mhm.
Which of the following numbers are the
Apparently,
multiple?
this is a new one.
Which of the following numbers are multiples of 2? So multiples of 2,
Wait.
it's easy. You know, okay, you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Samuel is designing a new auditorium. There will be 1,692 seats in the auditorium, and each section of the auditorium must have the same number of seats. How many sections could the auditorium have? Not 10, not 5, so obviously 4. Why? Because 1,692 seats cannot be divided into 10 equal parts. And these seats are also not cannot be divided into 5 equal parts.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I have to explain this one?
What did you say?
Again, test the divisibility rule for it.
I can test what?
Divisibility rules. Is this number
Mm,
divisible by 9 completely?
no.
Can we divide 390 players into 9 equal parts?
No.
So obviously 5. So yeah, 5, we can make 5 teams with equal number of players, but not 4.
Just the answer.
1 second. 42. Yeah, it is.
Excuse me, teacher. Is this the correct answer?
Yes, it is. Logan needs to set up 12 chairs for a concert. He wants to put same number of chairs in each row with no chair left over. How many chairs could Logan put in each row? 3, yeah. Then 4 chairs will be in each row. A company mailed out through 30,508 coupon booklets. The company sent the same number of the booklets to each city. How many cities could the coupon booklets have gone to? Gone to? 1 second. 2. 2 is the answer. Yeah. Into bins. At the hardware store, he needs to put the same number of nails in each bin without any leftover nails. How many bins could Kaden use for the nails? 6, 3. Is it divisible by 3? One
It
second.
does
Hold on.
6.
10, 10, 20, 27. Yeah, that's right answer. But don't you think we have a 4 as well? Because this number is divisible by 4. Oh, I tested. I didn't divide it completely. I just divide the last 2 digits. What are the last 2
What did
digits
you
of it?
say?
I said there is no need to divide it completely. This whole number we don't need to completely divide this whole number by
Yeah.
4. What we have to do? Just check last two digits.
Oh, yeah.
Last two
Is it
digits are
only, is
20.
that only for 4?
Yeah, for 4. I'm talking about 4, not about 6. So you
Yeah.
already good in 6 and 3.
Yeah.
For 4, we have to test the last two digits. If the last two digits are in the multiple of 4, are divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. So yes,
Yeah.
here the last two digits are the multiple of 4 or divisible by
Mhm.
4. So that's why this whole number will be divisible by 4 as well. Okay, submitted. That's right answer. Derek has 83,310 marbles to put into giant jars. He wants to put the same number of marbles in each jar with no extra marbles. How many jars could Derek use? 5, 3. What's the sum of these digits? Obviously 2.
Because 8 plus 3 is 11,
11,
then 14.
15. Yeah, so all of them. That's right answer. All of these. There are 1,674 fish in a hatchery, which are divided only evenly among the ponds. How many ponds could there be at the? at
Uh,
the- I think you are not reading the question. You already knew. You just have to check the divisibility rules. Am I right?
yeah.
Okay, it's okay. So 5 obviously,
Mhm, yeah.
and then not 9. How we check the for 9?
1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. 4. What's.
It was just 5. For
Oh.
4, we don't have to test like this. This
Oh.
is the rule for 3 and 9.
Mm,
For 4, we have to test the last two digits.
yeah.
So this is not visible by 2, not visible by 10, obviously not visible by 4. Uh, I think it is divisible by 9 because the sum of this digit 6 plus 13, 13
That's
plus.
12. Isn't it 12? 7
Yes,
plus 5.
yes, yes.
Wait, what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What the? How many?
Because this number is divisible by 3 as well. What's the sum?
Yeah.
So divisible by 3, divisible by 2, obviously divisible by 6. Is
That's
divisible
also
by 9.
divisible by 9.
Yes, it is.
Ah. Excuse me, teacher. Don't understand.
Sorry.
I don't understand this one.
Again, we have to do the divisibility rules here. Is this divisible by 2? Yes,
Oh,
obviously,
yeah.
because the last digit is 4.
Yeah.
Is this divisible by 3? So we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. So
It's not
27.
divisible by 6.
Let's take it out. 27. I think it is divisible by 6 because look, 5 plus 4, that's also 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 9. So how many times 5? 45.
Oh,
45. If you are not sure 45 is in the multiple of 3 or not, you can do again addition. 4 plus 5, that's 9. So it means that it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So obviously it will be divisible by 6. And it's also
yeah.
divisible by 9. It's not divisible by 10. That's all. You understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, do the next one. Five, 10, 2. Obviously 2. Then is it divisible by 6? No. Why? Because
It's
it's
not
not.
divisible by 3.
Yeah. Obviously 5, 10. Even it's divisible by 4. Not a 9.
So this is the answer.
Yes, it is. It is divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 9 or not? 9, 9. Huh. 7 and 5. No, it's only divisible by 4. Why? How I tested, you know?
What? How? Oh,
Oh,
wait, the last 2 digits.
yeah,
Why did
96.
this? Oh.
So I check like this for 2 times.
Yeah.
Last year, the sweet trees. A company printed 1,440 players for its 6, 2, 4, even it's 4. Yeah, 9 as well. Why 4? Because last 2 digits are the multiple.
Excuse me, teacher, is this the right answer?
1 second, please. Let me test. What's the sum you get?
For what?
Um,
27.
It is. Then all of these. Yeah. 40,704 teenagers voted for the election. So obviously it's not 5. It's 4. Yes. 11 and 4. 15. So it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 6. Because it's divisible by 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. Yeah, that's right answer. Not 5, not 10. We have to check for 4 and 9. Obviously not for 5, not for 10. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. So either it's divisible by 4 or a 9. So for 9, we have to add them all.
Wait, it's divisible by 9
Yes.
because 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Yeah, it is. It is. Okay, that's all we have. Let's reveal the price uh, of workshop. Okay. Okay, that's all. By the way, what you did in school
Uh,
today?
we just did mathletics.
Math?
Mathletics.
Mathletics. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll continue this one later in the next class and try to complete your homework. What's your homework?
All of F.
Yeah, except 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. What is the prime factorization, you know?
What?
What is the prime factorization?
Yeah.
You know prime and composite number as well?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, then do these worksheets. If you face any difficulty, we will discuss in the next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then see you later.
Bye.
Take care. Goodbye.